Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed solenoidal and irrotational vectors and the problems. So today topic is del applied to twice to the point function. Del applied twice to point function. I share the document. మా వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుందా? వాయిస్ క్లారిటీగా ఉందా?
ఎస్ సార్ క్లారిటీ ఉంది సార్.
ఓకే. Okay. So today topic is del applied to point function. Del applied twice to the point function. So here some conditions are available. We prove that. First of all, we prove the conditions. First condition is divergence of grad f. Divergence of grad f is equal to dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square plus dou square f by dou z square. Here we are applying del in twice. So for example, del dot del means del square. So del always apply to a scalar. After applying scalar to del, it is a vector. Vector applied to del with respect to dot, then del square f. So first statement is div of grad f. So div of grad f equal to del square f. Del square f equal to dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square plus dou square f by dou z square. First take LHS. LHS means in the first condition we prove LHS equal to RHS. Now I am taking LHS value, that is divergence of grad f. Here I am taking small f because small f is scalar. So grad always apply to a scalar. First we find out the grad f, then apply del. So let us take grad f. Grad f. It is symbolically written as grad means del. So del f. So what is the formula of del f? Del f equal to, the formula of del is I dou by dou x. So multiplying with f. So I dou f by dou x plus the formula for del equal to j dou by dou y with multiplying with f. So dou f by dou y plus k into dou f by dou z. So we just taking f is a scalar. F is not x square plus y square plus z square like that. So f is any scalar. So generally we prove that del f equal to I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. Now I applied div to the grad f. This is the symbol of grad f. Now I am taking complete LHS value LHS equal to div of grad f. Div of grad f. It is symbolically written as div means del dot, grad means just del. So grad is only del, div means del dot. So del dot del f. So del dot del f means first we write the formula of del and we write the formula of del f. Here del f is available. So we write del f formula is this one and del is standard formula. Both are in between operation dot. So del dot del f. First formula of del, the fixed standard formula I dou by dou x, j dou by dou y, k dou by dou z, dot del f. Del f means recently finding value I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. In between the operator dot. So we apply dot multiplying corresponding terms only because in the operating dot operating multiplying corresponding terms that is 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 because I dot j is 0, 1 into 2. Suppose we multiplying 1 into 2, first we multiplying the coefficient vectors I dot j equal to 0, 1 into 3. So I dot k equal to 0. In different terms, operating dot is equal to the 0. So that's why in dot operations, multiplying corresponding terms only. That is I dot I1. So I dot I1, so multiplying first term. So first term means dou by dou x into dou f by dou x. So dou by dou x into dou f by dou x plus multiplying second terms only j dot j1 because j dot j1 j dot for example j dot I 2 into 1 0. So j dot I 0, j dot k also 0, only possible 2 into 2. So j dot j1 and remaining terms are dou by dou y into dou by dou y into dou f by dou y plus similarly k dot k1 and multiplying last term dou by dou z of dou f by dou z, dou f by dou z. So observe that these two are same. So multiplying numerators, so dou square f by dou x square and dou into dou f, dou square f by dou y into dou y square plus dou into dou f, dou square f by dou z into dou z square. That equal to RHS value. So in LHS, del dot del, so del dot del x into x square like that, del dot del square f. So del dot del symbolically del dot del writtenly div of writtenly write as div of grad f. So div of grad f symbolically del dot del f. So multiply with both del square f, finding the resulting value dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square plus dou square f by dou z square. So we show first condition. So here the first condition, div of grad f means del dot del f. So del into del del square f. We show this value and simplify the total equation. We getting RHS value is dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square plus dou square f by dou z square. Here a small f is any scalar. So go to second one. The second condition is curl of grad f, symbolically del cross del f equal to 0. So curl of grad f. Curl means del cross. Curl means del cross. Div means del dot. Grad means only del. Apply to a scalar. It is symbolically formed. First we find the del f. Already in first condition we find del f. Del f formula is I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. Now applying the cross operation. So taking LHS on second condition, LHS of the second condition, it is symbolically written as del cross del f. So del cross means, first of all, we write the formula of del. What is the formula of del? It is fixed formula I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. This is the formula of del. Del cross del f. So I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z cross del f. Already del f we show in first condition. That is similarly del means I dou by dou x. So multiplying del to f. So I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. Okay. Multiplying both terms with respect to in between cross, that equal to, so I cross j, here some conditions are there. Condition number 1, I cross I equal to j cross j equal to k cross k equal to 0. In similar terms, the cross operator is equal to 0. In same terms, applying with cross, that equal to 0. So same terms మధ్య cross apply చేసినప్పుడు value అవుతుంది 0 అవుతుంది. I cross I equal to j cross j equal to k cross k equal to 0. In different operators, in different functions operating cross, that is I cross j in forward direction. Forward direction means I after j after k, cyclic, then k after I. This is the forward direction. Forward direction represents plus. Suppose the direction is interchanged, then we getting minus. So I dot j equal to ij, next value, I to j, j to k. So k. For example, the condition is reverse. J cross I, it is backward direction. I cross j is forward, it is backward direction. So minus k. So here one shortcut is available. That is, here two different terms, ij. What term is here? K. So then we getting right side k. In ij in left side, missing term in right side. So in forward direction it is positive, in backward direction it is negative. Similarly, remaining values are also same. Like I cross j equal to k, j cross k, missing term is I. So I, k cross I equal to z. These values are fixed forward directions. Suppose we take in backward directions, j dot j cross I that equal to k, missed value k, but in direction reverse, so taking negative value. So k cross j, here k, j are available, missed value is I, so negative. So k cross j I cross k is equal to minus. So in same vectors with respect to cross is equal to 0. In different vectors with respect to cross equal to the next forward value. For example, in same cyclic it is positive, reverse cyclic it is negative. So we use the condition. So here, so del cross del f means I cross I, first multiplying two terms. I cross I value is 0. Next I cross j, the next value is k. Observe that in first value I cross I equal to 0. Next second value I cross j equal to k. So first we write the coefficient vector k bar, then we multiplying the coefficient terms. So dou by dou x of dou f by dou x, that equal to dou square f by dou x dou y. Next I dot, sorry, I cross k, generally after k I, but here I cross k, it is backward cyclic function, then we getting missing here, missing term is j, so negative z, so minus z. After multiplying vectors, multiplying the coefficient terms, dou by dou x of dou f by dou z, that equal dou square f by dou z. Similarly, multiplying all values, j dot I that equal to minus k, dou by dou y of dou f by dou y. So j cross j equal to 0, j cross j equal to 0, then j cross k equal to I. So dou square f by dou y dou z. And similarly, last value k cross I is forward direction, it is positive j into dou square f by dou z dou x. Next k cross j that equal to reverse direction, so we getting minus I. K cross k in same terms, cross applying same terms, it is equal to the 0. So after that, finding values, observe that all terms are cancelling and the RHS value is 0. This is the second condition. Next problem. And the condition number 3. The condition number 3 is div of curl f del dot del cross f equal to 0. First we show div of grad f that equal to del square f. Second we show curl of grad f that equal to 0. Now we show that div of curl f is equal to 0. Okay. With our condition, div of curl f. So first we write the symbolic condition. So div of curl f. Div means del dot, curl means del cross. So del dot del cross f. In operator del or in operator cross must apply to the vector. In operator del only apply to scalar function, but the operator dot and cross apply to vector functions. So here f is vector, in grad f is scalar. Observe that. So we write the symbolic condition del dot del cross F. First we show del cross F. First we find out the del cross F after getting answer and apply to del dot. So let us take del cross F. In symbolic, in problematically, we use del cross F. Formula is data of ijk dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z f1 f2 f3. So del cross f bar. Here f bar capital F bar is a vector but not given a vector value. So let us assume capital F bar equal to f1 I bar, f2 j bar, f3 k bar. Okay, we assume that capital F is a vector. So f bar equal to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar for finding the that value. Okay. So del cross f bar equal to del cross f bar equal to data of first common coefficient vectors of both terms. So del and f bar, the formula of del is I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. Next f equal to, so f equal to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar. Observe that these two are vectors. The vector coefficients of both terms is commonly I, j, k. So in first row is commonly coefficient vectors. So I, j, k. Next row, first we taking del. In del, the quotient of I. In del, the quotient of I is dou by dou x. In del, the quotient of j is dou by dou y. In del, the quotient of k is dou by dou z. After that, f bar. The quotient of I in f bar equal to f1. In j bar equal to f2. The quotient of k bar equal to f3. Now finding the that value. How to find the data of 3 by 3b? So we expand any row or any column. Generally, maximum we expand the R1. So in R1, row 1, first we taking positive I bar. So eliminating corresponding row and corresponding columns, remaining terms are like a data of ABCD. So data of ABCD condition is AD minus BC. So dou by dou y into f2 అంటే dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z. Finding remaining values are also same. Here I bar into dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z. Next, so after alternative signs, first value is coefficient is positive and second value coefficient is negative. Here eliminating second column under first row and remaining terms minus j into dou by dou x into f3 dou by dou z into minus dou by dou z into f1. After that, then alternating signs plus the vector is k. Now k bar equal to eliminating third column and first row multiplying dou by dou x into f2 dou by dou y into f1. This is the curl F bar. After finding curl F bar, we are applying del. Del means divergence. So the LHS condition is div of curl F, del dot del cross F. The standard formula of del is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, and dot recently finding value. So recently we finding this value. Replace the value into these brackets. So I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z dot this total value. So we are applying the dot operation here, multiplying the corresponding terms only. Corresponding terms means multiplying 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. So here we multiplying I dot I 1 dou by dou x of this value. So dou by dou x of first dou by dou x of dou by dou x of first value dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z. Next plus into minus minus j dot j1. So dou by dou y of dou f3 by dou x minus dou f2 by dou z plus plus into plus plus k bar dot k bar equal to 1 and dou by dou z of third value. So we getting the answer is dou square by dou square f3 by dou x dou y and dou square f2 by dou x dou y minus dou square f3 by dou f dou y. So all values are cancelled with remaining values. Then the resulting value is 0. So first we find out the value of curl f bar. Here f bar is a vector, but f bar is not given. Let us we assume f bar equal to small f1 I bar plus small f2 j bar, f3 k bar, or capital anyone. So after finding the curl f, we are applying the dive. Dive means del dot. Del dot means multiplying corresponding terms. So first term I quotient dou by dou x of dou by dou x into first term plus into minus minus j dot j1 dou by dou y of second term plus k dot k1 dou by dou z of third term. After multiplying these equations, observe that all values are cancelled with another value. So the result value is 0. That equal to RHS. Next condition 4. The fourth condition is curl of curl f bar. Curl means del cross. Again curl means del cross. So del cross always apply to a vector. How to symbolically written as first curl means del cross. Again curl del cross f bar. First we find out the del cross f bar. Already we find the del cross f in the third condition. Del cross f equal to I into dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z. This value is del cross f. So using these equation to the fourth condition. So taking this answer and apply again del. So del means, what is the formula of del? Del equal to del dot I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z dot. So this is del dot. So it is multiplying to all values, we getting a large value. So it is simply calculated by taking sigma. Sigma represents del dot means sigma in the first term I dou by dou x dot remaining values are del cross f. So the formula is taking cross. So del cross equal to sigma I dou by dou x cross, here del cross f, this finding value, replacing this value in the bracket. So in the second step, the sigma of I dou by dou x into del cross f. So I dou f by dou x plus j I in cross dou f by dou x plus j cross dou f by dou y plus k cross dou f by dou z. So multiplying derivative to the function not coefficient vector. So derivative of I not possible. Derivative of F is possible. So I cross dou by dou x of dou F by dou x, that equal to dou square F by dou x square. Next, J cross dou square F by dou x dou y, that equal to dou by dou x into dou F by dou z, that equal to dou square F by dou x dou y. So here I am multiplying dou by dou x to inside functions. This. So dou by dou x into dou F by dou x, that equal to dou square F by dou x square. Dou by dou x into dou F by dou y, that equal to dou square F by dou x dou y. Dou by dou x into dou F by dou z, that equal to dou square F by dou x dou z. And the next step, I cross, so these values, so multiplying I to the first function. Observe that this function like as A cross B cross C. We know the formula A cross B cross C equal to 1 into 3, that equal to 1 into 3 means A dot C into B minus 1 into 2 A dot B into C. I will write once again. The condition is important. So A bar cross B bar cross C bar in 3 vectors are A bar cross B bar cross C bar. So first we are multiplying 1 into 3 here cross, but in the resulting we getting dot. So A dot C, A bar cross C bar into B, 1 into 3 into 2 minus 1 into 2, that equal to A dot B bar into C bar. Like as I dot dou square F by dou x square, I dot dou square F by dou x square into second value, that means I. Observe that 1 into 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 1 into 3. So I dot dou square F by dou x square into 2 into I minus I dot I in the formula of I dot I, that equal to 1. So I dot I equal to 1. 1 into, so remaining value dou square F by dou x square. I dot I equal to 1 into dou square F by dou x square. I explained once more. So I dot I into A cross B cross C, like as A dot C, that equal to I dot dou square F by dou x square. So I dot dou square F by dou x square into B, that equal to into I. So multiplying simply 1 into 3 into 2 minus 1 into 2 into 3. So 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 1 into 3 into 2 minus 1 into 2 into 3. Like as I dot dou square F by dou x square into I in the first term minus I dot I in the formula of I dot I equal to 1. So 1 into dou square F by dou x square. Similarly, finding remaining values are also. So the resulting value is I dou square F by dou x square. Similarly, I dot dou square F by dou square and I dot dou square F by dou x into k bar. So observe that dou square F by dou x square in last term, remaining values are written in first term. So I dou square F by dou x square into I bar, I dot dou square F by dou x into j bar, I dot dou square F by dou x dou x into k bar, and sigma of dou square F by dou x square. So this is called grad of div f. We observe that in the second condition, grad of div f equal to, so grad means I dou by x, sigma of I dou by x, sigma I dou by x. This is the formula of del. So I dou by x so plus j dou by y plus k dou by z, it equal to del. sigma I over x dot means div. Here dot is not there, so only sigma I over x. Sigma I over x means del. So del means writtenly grad. So I sigma I over x is symbolically del. It is written as grad. So first value is grad, and the second value in the brackets dou f by dou x dot I, dou f by dou y dot j, dou f by dou z dot k is div f bar. So div f bar equal to div f bar means I over dou x sigma dot I f1. So f1 into I. So taking sigma I dot I1, so dou f1 by dou x. Expand the sigma, we are applying the dou f1 by dou x, dou f1 by dou 2, so that equal to only multiplying capital F. So dou f by dou x dot I. So I dot dou f by dou x, it is written as div f bar. So div means symbolic written as sigma I dou by dou x dot f, that equal to multiplying derivative always to a function, so that equal to I bar dot dou f by dou x. In reverse way, we getting I dot dou f by dou x equal to I dou f by dou x dot f, that equal to del dot f, that equal to div f. So we replace dou f by dou x dot I plus dou f by dou y dot j plus dou f by dou z dot k is div f bar. Minus, in first result, we show that in first result, expand the sigma, first value dou square f by dou x square, second value dou square f by dou y square, third value dou square f by dou z square. Observe that in the first condition of today class, it is del square f. So minus del square f. This is the right hand side value. It is also written as curl of curl f bar plus del square f. That means we taking this del square f to left hand side. This del square f go to left hand side. It is positive. So grad of div f equal to curl of curl f minus del square f. This condition also important. Sometimes this problem also asked to curl of curl f plus del square f equal to grad of div f. We show the total value, and then finally we doing minus del square f to left side, that equal to plus del square f. Then div of grad f equal to curl of curl f plus del square f. Okay. Okay, next one. So here, two very important problems are there. The problems are for a solenoidal vector f bar, show that curl of f bar equal to del power 4 f bar. So 4 curls applied to a vector f, then we show the resulting answer is del power 4 f. It is simply define a solenoidal vector. By using solenoidal vector, we show the curl f bar equal to del power 4 f. It is not possible to apply at a time 4 curls. So let us assume first 2 curls. We know that if f bar is solenoidal, then the condition del dot f equal to 0. So in first class, del dot f equal to 0, then f bar is solenoidal. Del cross f equal to 0, then f is irrotational. Here the same condition given, f is also solenoidal. So using the condition del dot f equal to 0. In deriving steps, any one del dot f equal to 0, then replacing del dot f place 0. So first we find curl of curl f, then we find remaining curl of curl. Okay. First taking curl of curl f. So it is symbolically written as curl means del cross, and again curl means del cross applied to a vector f bar. So this is symbolically. So del cross f. This is a formula like as A cross B cross C. Recently I explained the formula 1 into 3 into B minus 1 into 2 into C. So how to write? 1 into 3 into means dot. A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. A, B, C are vectors. So like as del cross F treated as this one is A, this one is B, this one is C. So A dot C, that means del dot F into del minus A dot B del dot del into F. Okay. So del dot F into del minus del dot del into F. F is a vector. So del dot F into del minus del dot del equal to del square F. We know that the given F is solenoidal. Given F is solenoidal. The condition of solenoidal del dot F equal to 0. In the above equation, del dot F is available. So replace del dot F equal to 0. In first value, 0 into del that equal to 0 minus del square F. The resulting value of curl of curl F bar equal to del square F. I put a name Z bar. So curl of F bar result value is minus del square F. I replace by name Z bar. So finally, curl of F bar value is Z bar. Next, I applied remaining two curls to the resulting value. So I take total LHS value, that is curl of F bar. So this curl of F bar, we getting value minus del square F. We getting the replace value C. So replace that value in the above equation. Curl of in circle value we assume G bar. So curl of G bar. Next, we write the curl of G bar in symbolically del cross G bar. Again we apply the formula A bar cross B bar cross C bar like 1 into 3. So del dot G bar into del minus 1 into 2 del dot del into 0. We know that F is solenoidal. F is solenoidal. G is also in terms of F. So G is also in terms of F. So automatically G is solenoidal. When G is solenoidal, divided G also 0. F is solenoidal, G is a function of F, and F is solenoidal, then del dot F equal to 0. G is a function of F, then del dot G equal to 0. Replace del dot G equal to 0, and remaining value are this value is 0 minus del dot del that equal to del square Z bar that equal to 0 minus del square Z bar. So what is G? We're getting final answer curl of F bar equal to minus del square G. replacing G value that equal to minus del square F. Minus into minus plus del square into del square that equal to del power 4 into F power that equal to RHS value. Okay, this is the important problem. At a time, 4 kernels not possible to apply. So first we take 2 kernels of F. It is symbolically written as del cross F bar. Applying A cross B cross C that equal to A dot C into B minus A dot B into C, like del dot F into del dot first value del dot del into F minus del dot del F dot del. So that equal to del cross F means del dot F into del minus del dot del into F. So we know that F is a solenoidal vector, del dot F equal 0, remaining del dot del equal to del square. Let us assume the resulting value as G and also apply to same function in G. Here the problem also important. You do the problem homework. This problem is homework. Already PDF is sent to your group. So do this problem as a homework. Okay, raise your hands.